Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials. Make sure your device runs iOS 16, you're signed into your Apple ID, and you have about 5 GB free. Once that's set, open the App Store and locate Garageband. Tap Get or the cloud download icon to begin. You'll see a progress circle. If a password or Face ID prompt appears, approve it. These first steps initiate the download and prepare the app for installation. Don't skip the Apple ID check. Once the download finishes, Garageband installs automatically on your home screen. Tap it to open. You'll be asked to grant microphone and files access. Allowing saves and recordings is essential for full functionality. After permissions, pick a project template like keyboard or drummer to get started. Make sure to explore the tracks view to add instruments and loops. This is where you build your arrangement. If you plan to use external gear, enable Bluetooth or connect adapters, now so inputs appear. To finish, save your first project to Files or iCloud so it's backed up and available across devices. Enable iCloud Drive if you want syncing. If GarageBand won't open, force quit and relaunch the app. If that fails, restart the device and reinstall GarageBand from the App Store. Make sure iOS is up to date and free space is sufficient, since low storage often causes installs to stall. If all else fails, sign out of Apple ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.